Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to earn money from Audible Amazon. The most direct and effective way to generate income is by leveraging the Audiobook Creation Exchange, or ACX, platform. This unique service acts as a bridge, connecting authors with narrators and other production professionals to transform written works into engaging audiobooks. By understanding and utilizing ACX, you can tap into Audible's vast audience and establish a steady revenue stream from your audio content. It's a fantastic opportunity for creators. ACX is essentially the central hub for audiobook creation. It's where authors, who hold the rights to their books, can connect with talented narrators and producers to bring their stories to life. Conversely, narrators can audition for a wide array of projects, offering their vocal talents to authors seeking the perfect voice. This platform streamlines the entire production journey, ensuring that high-quality audiobooks are created and distributed seamlessly across Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, reaching millions of listeners. If you're an author or rights holder, your earnings come directly from audiobook sales. You have a choice in how you structure your royalties. Opting for exclusive distribution with ACX can net you a 40% royalty on each sale. If you prefer to distribute your audiobook elsewhere, a non-exclusive agreement offers a 25% royalty. Another path is to pay your narrator a set fee per finished hour, which allows you to keep a larger share of the sale's royalties, often up to 75%. For narrators and producers, ACX offers two primary ways to earn. You can work on a per finished hour, or PFH basis, where you're paid a set rate for each hour of the final audiobook. These rates can vary significantly, often ranging from $50 to $400 per finished hour, reflecting your experience and the project's demands. Alternatively, you can enter into a royalty share agreement, where you split the audiobook's royalties with the rights holder, typically 50-50, once the book sells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.